Familiarize yourself with the sectors listed in NEPSE, like banking, hydropower, insurance, manufacturing, and more. Understand the regulatory environment, market dynamics, and key indices such as the NEPSE Index and Float Index. Determine your investment horizon, whether it's short-term, mid-term, or long-term. Decide whether your focus is on capital gains, dividends, or diversification. Fundamental analysis helps assess the financial health and growth potential of a company. Review the company's balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. Look for stable or growing revenues, manageable debt, and consistent profit margins. Higher earnings per share often indicate better profitability. Compare the price-to-earnings ratio with industry peers to assess valuation. Check if the company pays regular dividends and their yields. Research the background and performance of the management team. Choose sectors with potential for growth in Nepal, like hydropower or tourism. Technical analysis helps you determine the right time to buy or sell. Analyze stock price trends and patterns using tools like moving averages, relative strength index, and Bollinger Bands. Look for support and resistance levels to identify entry and exit points. Monitor news and announcements affecting NEPSE, such as government policies, major infrastructure projects, and changes in interest rates or regulations. Keep an eye on trading volumes, which often indicate investor sentiment. Avoid putting all your money into a single stock or sector. Diversification reduces risk by spreading investments across multiple companies or sectors. Check if the company is expanding its market share or launching new products or services. For example, hydropower stocks might perform well as Nepal increases power generation capacity. A stable macroeconomic environment often benefits most stocks. Follow NEPSE updates, annual reports, and company disclosures. Use tools like NEPSE's website and third-party apps for stock tracking. Seek advice from financial advisors or stock analysts. Join investor groups or forums to learn from experienced traders. A NEPSE is a small and less liquid market compared to global exchanges, so price fluctuations can be significant. Avoid herd mentality by critically evaluating stocks before buying.